The opening and closing the blockade is from where the is from. For opening and closing the blockade, we have to use the rack and clear data. I don't think of the water level. But do it get this place. This is UIC. That's the UIC. And this is the rack. This was the rack. And here the all circular. That's the figure, this case. And this was property removed. And we have provided here water indicator, which will tell us about the critical height of the tank. When the sound is coming, then we are start calculating that when we will open the gate. Because we have to calculate always. Then we have calculated it and we have assumed that we have to release 4 meter of water because there is a mean sea level of 5 meter and 1 meter is already present and we have to release 4 meter. So please release again. And 4 meter we have 4 meter water is released. And we have calculated that the water is coming from the locate is 1092 centimeter cube per second. What is coming out? And we have also tried to show here that when we will call it as a flat condition, with present at the site, when we see that the spillway is underwater, then we can say that there is a flat condition because we are providing the spillway according to calculating the mean sea level. So here the spillway is underwater, so we can say this condition as a flooded condition. And here this is the this is connecting the two cities, and so we have provided a toll tax here. And so we have put it over the design. So we have put it design. Okay. No, everything is made by our it's a book. SketchUp and for video editing. Very good. And these are two member sites. And there are types of dams. Steel dams. Steel dams are actually constructed before water was. And for storing water, we have to use high strength of steels. And that is so costly. So after water one, we are not providing steel dams. So we have shown here the imagine side of it. Okay. That was the location of the dam. And this was our dam. That was the road. You have done all this work on just which is not second year, only have just we have not come to together. These are long pictures. We have to research it for about more than 2 years. We have totally explained this way the market. We have spent 54 days for this work. They are studying and trying to apply everything and going for condition. We have also visit sunset directly. I have seen that.